Alright, so I have a video where I turned these table legs, and now I'm using them to generate a table. And so basically I spaced them out in a distance that I thought was appropriate, and then I made some side skirts that would provide some support to the different legs. And now I was going to make the tabletop, and I was like, you know what, you guys might like seeing this. So here, to make the tabletop, okay, I can take this, I can draw my rectangle, and unfortunately, it doesn't really give me measurements. 3'10". We can use SketchUp to help us generate dimensions, so we can go to construct. So when I make a table, I don't want it to be flat on the top like that. There's a tool called Offset right here. This allows you to make a larger or smaller copy of something. So I'm just going to do this, and I'm going to snap it to be, let's say, 1 inch wider than the base. So I get my tape measure tool here. I'm going to go in the red direction, 1 inch, and now I can offset until I hit that point. Now that I've done that, it's a simple matter of push-pull with everything in it. So let's go select that and that. Push-pull. Let me clean up some lines here. Okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull it up. Let's say, let's just do 1 inch. Now, we got a nice table coming along. It isn't done yet, but it's getting there. What I really need is a nice decorative edge to put around this tabletop. And in fact, let's make it even just a little bit fancier. If we just offset this another, let's see, I'm just going to go here and I'm going to say 1 inch. Here we got an additional inch. And now I'm going to push-pull that up. Okay. So now I'm ready to go. All right. So I got this nice looking table. I think it makes sense for us to put a decorative edge around it. This is achieved with a tool called a router, something that you may have already used, something you may have not used. But essentially what you need to do is create the side profile of something. As if you were to take like that cool curved edge, turn on its side, and look at the actual shape of it. I'm going to go ahead and draw one now. Bam! I got it! Here I generated this pseudo Roman OG, is the type of style it's called, where it curves in, it curves out, and then it's kind of flattened out. And now that I've generated this curve using my 3-point arcs and just the line tool, now I'm going to select the Follow Me tool. So no matter what it is, even if it's just a regular straight angled beveled cut, you can use this Follow Me tool to basically, I don't have words. I'm just gonna show you. I'm too excited. So I click the surface. I click the empty space that I want to delete from my material. And now I'm going to follow my curve. I'm going to follow my line along the entire structure. Let's see. Do this and zoom out. Boop. And let's see. Hey, not getting a good preview here. That's what you want to see. All right. If your curve is a little too intricate or they're having issues, then simplify it. And you can just put a note in your design saying like, hey, use a Roman OG, or hey, do something fancier than this. Just use a router. All right. So then this is the way the cookie crumbles. Let's get our Follow Me tool. Boom. And here, that's looking way better. Following it along, and you can see it's got that little, it's got that line as if we were dragging it along. And this is going to be able to follow an edge. I mean, if we wanted to, we could change what edge we're following. Right now, I'm just following the side of that table. But once we get to the corner, you want to make sure that you get it all the way to the corner, like that. Here I don't have it all the way to the corner. Here I do, I believe. And we're going to see how that turns out. Okay, right there. When I do it, you'll see I have a beveled edge along the entire perimeter of that top table piece. And yeah, it wasn't that much work, but I really think it makes this project pop. And you can get fancy and get your measurement tool and try to draw out like little bumps or something like that to go along the side skirt. School's about to begin, so I'm gonna just stop this here before I get ahead of myself. Try implementing the Follow Me tool on one component in your chair. Or actually as many as you really want to. Have some fun with it.